Asante sana Bwana Spika. Kwanza ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kukaribisha watoto wa shule kutoka sehemu ya Shikadabu na pia kumpongeza mheshimiwa wao ndugu yangu ambapo yuko hapa Leterazi. Mr. Speaker, please kindly allow me to execute this in English. Firstly, I would like to thank my brother, Honorable Patrick Mbele, for bringing this noble motion. Mr. Speaker, if you can remember, yesterday we were together with you, together with other members of the County Assembly, in my ward, when we hosted the women rep. If you are keen, every speaker that stood up to speak, there's a phrase they would use: all protocol observed.